up, man? What's up, man? What's up, man? Alright, now beat it. Yeah. Okay, the reason I traced it is because I need to know how far over I can tab. And so that mark right there tells me that on my second tabbing, I can only come over that far. Because I can't, remember we were talking about that transom plate area. You can't encroach or you can't interfere with that area because that has to be the same thickness all the way around. Now, when you go to, after you get all your tabbing done, then you start building up to add in however many layers you want until you get to your 2 1/4. So, I'm finna go cut the second, I didn't, last time I was here, I didn't finish the first round tabbing piece for there. So I'm gonna do that. And then, but now I'm gonna go, and then I'm gonna cut, do the rest of them using George Salmon's handy dandy cardboard trick. And then I'm gonna use the finger painting, squishing out method. And we'll be back on it. Alright, I'm sick of sanding, so I went to Home Depot, or not Home Depot, I went to Harbor Freight and got this DA. I got a couple of rolls. I got a roll of 80 and a roll of 120. And but I got my angle grinder on standby because what I got to do is everywhere where there's an edge, I got to knock it off because my second layer of tabbing is gonna. You want your tabbing to be 2 to 3 inches overlapping your first tabbing. So now in some areas you just can't do that because it's just not possible. Like right here underneath the transom plate, obviously you can't overlap that, so you just overlap it on this side. And up here, what I did is I cut my tabbing for this side, I cut it short. But what I should have done was made it the same size as this tabbing, but just notched it out. Notched out that little piece where the steering mechanism goes. And that was an afterthought. I already done cut the piece now. And I'm not sure that I'll recut it just to notch it out. I don't know. Maybe I will. I don't know. I probably will. I'll cut another piece, notch it out. And then that way it'll be the same on this side as it is on this side. I'm funny that way. I won't be happy unless I do it like that to make them the same. So anyway, that's what I got going. I'm finna try out my brand new DA and see if it'll knock off these edges. If not, I got the angle grinder on standby. All right. Okay, so I'm either gonna have to A, read the instructions on the DA, or go ask Scott how to use it. One of the two. Okay, what I did is I cleaned the pad with acetone, got a new 80 grit, stuck it on there. Scott helped me adjust it, but on this Harbor Freight dual action 6-incher, you can see that it still orbits. It's not totally straight. And I don't know if that's typical of a higher price, better quality DA, but this one will not lock, and it will not a center position. I don't know if it's, you would think it was supposed to, but anyway. And the reason I got this is for the flat area sanding. The go-to tool is your angle grinder. And I'm purposely using an old pad. I went and got some new pads, but I'm purposely using the old pad because I don't want to take too much. The only thing I'm trying to do is just knock off these edges and just knock off the edges with this and give it a one time with this so that my second tabbing layer will lay down nice and smooth, nice and easy. So let me see how my little Harbor Freight 6-incher goes. We'll see. If the pad doesn't stay on this time, Scott gave me some of this just to put a teeny bit on the thing to make it so it don't come off. So, here we go. I don't know. It might be, I don't know. Maybe not enough air. Not sure. But anyway, I'm ready to clean this out, wipe it down, and get ready to start tabbing. Okay, I got all my edges all sanded down. It's going to be a nice smooth transition for the second tabbing. Right now I'm about to blow it out and wipe it down, and I'll be ready to get started. Here we go. there for a minute? Go ahead. I want to interrupt nothing too. What you do? Just use the other grinder? For most stuff, for the edges, yeah. I don't know about that DA, man. I gotta see. I gotta try to use it a little bit, see if I can make it work. If not, man, it's going back. Gotta get used to it.